26 January 2026, Herman Mashaba, the Action SA, they will announce 3 additional political parties that they will match abazokusebenzisana nabo. So after listening to ama preconditions of Ubaba Herman Mashaba, guys, ne ngibone iMKP ngamehlo engcondo running with both legs and working with the Action SA. There's nothing wrong though. I'm just saying, let's listen to my conditions like about Herman Mashaba. And let me know in the comment section, Guti, do you see MKP working with the Action SA or matching with the Action SA? Listen to what Herman Mashaba said. Go political incorrect.
The approach to politics and the issue of provision to black areas. I thought now we've got our own political party that will respect us. Unfortunately, here we are. I'm working with the ANC, EFF, and the voters of Tshwane and everywhere else, they're the ones who must really decide. We'll work with everyone in a coalition, the government, as long as 3 preconditions, non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. The first one, I'm saying, please don't cover Action SA for corruption, because Action SA will never cover for you.
Okay.
Don't cover
Corruption, yes.
because it will never cover for you.
Yes.
Secondly, let us accept that we are going to provide services to all the communities.
Okay. No go areas.
So if you are saying you only want to provide services to the townships, or you want to provide services to the suburbs, then don't come and talk to us. So we must provide services to all the communities.
All right.
Lastly, that in municipalities where you co-govern with Action SA, we must commit in advance that illegal foreigners are not welcome in those municipalities. So other stuff, we are flexible. I'm happy to talk.